Okay, well, I am back here. This is a place I filmed last year and really have been wanting to go back to. And this is a place called the Dorner Fir Trail. And it's really just out in the middle of nowhere in southern Oregon off the coast. And it's just this amazing marvel of biology where it is the tallest, just focus on. All right. So the Dorner Fir is the tallest non-redwood tree in the world. Redwoods are in a whole different category of their own, but it's just so amazing to me to think that in just this little spot in coastal Oregon, you will see something that has almost no rivals on our planet. Just this incredible, tall, amazing marvel of nature. So I'm just so excited to go out here and explore the absolute wonder of the Dorner Fir. So come join me. This could be awesome. The titanic Dorner Fir, one of nature's great wonders, stands a staggering 327 feet above the forest floor. Above all others, it towers. I cannot even begin to express how amazing this thing is. It's just, I can barely speak. You know, seeing an entity, seeing a creature, a living thing that is so monumentally gigantic. You can just imagine all of the countless hundreds of years that this Douglas fir has grown and all the deep time that it's seen. And think of just how many trees are on Earth. Think of all the trees in the Amazon rainforest, all throughout Africa, all throughout the US. And out of all of those trees, this right here, the Dorner Fir, stands tall among all of them. It was just mind-blowing flying my drone up over there and seeing that I was approaching the maximum elevation that I can legally fly. You know, I was over 320 feet by the time you get to the top of this. It's just, you can't even express it. I mean, I'm just giddy. Just seeing this titan from above, shrouded in fog, and just the ability to use my drone to experience this thing that only birds have experienced. The ability to see the tallest non-redwood in the world up close and personal and fly above it and see it in the domain that its upper canopy reaches. I just cannot even begin to express how incredible this absolute wonder and marvel of nature is. I'm just dumbstruck. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Until we meet again, wander in wonder.